Hello guys, welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel. I still remain your boy Treadmill, and I hope on my last video you guys got the strategies I use in catching spikes and boom. And today I'm going to show you guys the strategy you can use on catching spikes on Crash. And right now we are on Crash 300 and we are on a 1 minute time frame. I'm using this 1 minute time frame to show, like, so you guys can see where the spikes are really coming, like, because it shows well on this time frame. Like, you can really see the spikes. Like, the spikes are this long red candles you are seeing. That's the spikes. So on this time frame you guys can really see how bold the spikes are. So on Crash 300 index today, I'm going to show you guys the strategies you can use in catching spikes. So if you're watching this video, please, I'd like you to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell so you can get videos like this whenever we drop it, because I'll really like you guys to learn a lot and know the strategies so you can start making money too, because these strategies have been working a whole lot for me and I've been making more money from it. So I'd like you guys to making money too, because we are all here to make money. No one comes to Forex to lose money. We all come here to make money. So yeah, if I have an idea that can help someone out there to make money, so why wouldn't I share the idea with you guys so you guys can make money too? So first of all, what we are going to do is we turn on our indicators. First, you go to the average directional movement index, the period. You allow it to be on 10. I set it on 10. Then the styles is 3 pixel. The plus D1 is 3 pixel, minus D1 is 3 pixel, and the colors are green. And you're done. Then you go to your main chart. You set your boiling band, period 20, deviation 2000. Just leave everything the way it is. You can just maybe rather write it down, or anyhow you want to do to just get this so you can use it on your own chart to apply to close style to pixel color green. Done. Okay. You can go to your main chart again, set your envelopes, period 50, maybe I reduce it to 20, shift deviation 0.618, method simple, apply to close, styles upper band 4 pixel color black, lower band 4 pixel color black, then done. So why we are putting all these indicators like the moving average, Bollinger Bands, and the rest is for it to help us show how these markets have been going and where we are supposed to catch these spikes. So as you can see from the charts, that these spikes start coming whenever we have an higher high. As you can see here, an higher high, we got a spike. Another higher high, we got a spike. Another higher high, we got a spike. Another higher high, we got a spike. And it keeps going up like that, keep going like that, it keeps going like that. So what you do now, before you can jump in the trade, you have to make sure that this market is actually moving to the direction in which you are expecting to catch. So you don't just jump into the market like this, understand, because you might end up losing money, like a whole lot of money. So you have to be sure of the analysis, you have to be sure of the strategy, and you have to, forex needs a whole lot of patience. Forex needs if you don't have patience, you can't make money on forex, because you'll be jumping in on trades that might blow your account. So at this point we actually have to be patient Like you have to be patient a lot for this market to get to that direction, to that very point we actually hope to catch this spike. Because you see we just got a spike, and we can see we actually got the spike at the next higher high. Like you can see what I've been telling you guys, it's really coming up, like it's really working. Look at all the higher highs we had a spike, all the higher highs we had a spike, all the higher highs we had a spike, and we just got another spike on the higher high now. So this method is just like it's just simple, but a lot of people will try to convince you, try to make it look more difficult, like it's something that is so difficult for someone to actually understand. And the like, so from there they charge a lot of money from you, trying to show you just this simple stuff, something that you can just, like, it's not up to 2 minutes to understand this, but they make it look so difficult, so they get lots of money from you. So I'm just trying to show you you guys this thing for free. I'm not charging, I'm actually showing this knowledge for free so everybody can make money. Because what's the point? I'm just making the money alone, like having this thing, and I'm not trying to share it with you guys. So I want you guys to make money too. So you can see the strategy is very simple. After setting your indicators and everything, you can see how the trend is moving. It started getting spike and higher high, and the higher high, the higher high, the higher high, the higher high, and the spikes keep coming. So what you're going to do is just, that's why I said that you need patience in forex. So you just wait for the market to go. Okay, just get another spike, and you are still expecting more spike. So guys, it's just simple. Those are the positions you wait to catch spikes. Hope you guys understood how the whole thing is working. Like, I hope this video helps you understand and teach you, learn on how and where you can place your trade to catch spikes and crash. And this is Crash 300. And if you don't really understand this, you can join our YouTube channel. If you check the description space, you'll see a link to our Telegram group. You can click on the link and join our Telegram group, so we can show you guys the strategies. We can teach you guys many things on forex that you can use in making money. You can join our VIP group where we drop signals, like 90% perfect signals that gives you profit on your trades. So guys, start joining the winning team today and start making money on forex, because here we are here to make money, we are not here to lose money. Okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed the video and you understood these strategies, because if you use them on your charts, on your trades, you are definitely going to make money. Because I've been making money with this, and I'm 90% sure you guys will make money also. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please, once again, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell to get more videos from us. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate. Bye.